Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you about what is fill region and masking region in Revit architecture. So if I am going to my annotate tab here, you can see this term region here, and if you bring your mouse and if you select this drop down arrow, you can see this fill region and masking region. So I will make you understand what is these two terms here, fill region and masking region. So if you will go to definition of this fill region, you can see that it creates a 2D view, a specific graphic with a fill pattern and a boundary line. So suppose if you want to create any fill region in your 2D drawing, you can use this fill region, and I will tell you about masking here. So masking creates a graphic that obscures elements in a project or family. So I will make you understand this also. So I'm going to start with fill region first. So suppose if I want to show this room any fill region here, so I will go to annotate tab and I'm going to select this fill region. And if you select this fill region, you can see this is the mode, which is after finishing. You can select this green arrow here, and if you want to cut this, you can select this cross, and these are the tools. Like always, all the tools in the Revit you can use to draw your fill region here. And you can select the line style here from like thin lines and beyond, center, demolished, hidden, and any of these line you can select. So I am going to use fill region solid black here, and if you select this arrow here, you can see there are some fill region by default in Revit. So I am going to select this wood 1 here, and I will select this rectangular tool here, and I will draw a fill region into this room. And now I'm going to finish this edit mode, and you can see this is the wooden flooring. And if you want to show like AutoCAD in your drawing, the fill region, you can use this, and you can see this wood flooring pattern here, and you can use in any other 2D drawing also, like elevations or sections also. So I'm going to select this fill region, and now I am going to change this diagonal cross hatch, and you will go to this diagonal cross hatch transparent, and you can select any of these if you want to change. And suppose I am going to select this wood 2 here, and you can see this pattern is changed here, fill region. And now I am going to edit this fill region. So I will select this edit type from properties, and I'm going to select this, and you can see this is the properties. And now you can see this is the foreground fill pattern, which is wood. You can also change it from here, and you can select any of this pattern here, and you can also edit this fill pattern. And this is for new fill pattern. If you want to create your own fill pattern, you can download it from your internet resources, and you can insert this from this tool here. And now I will cancel this, and now this is the foreground pattern color, which is black. So and from Revit 2020 it is also there, background pattern color, so you can use this also. And in earlier version of Revit there was only foreground pattern color, and you can also change the line weight here. So this is the masking region. So I will tell you what is foreground pattern color here, and now I am going to select from black to red here and see what happens. And now I'm going to apply and OK, and you can see this is the red pattern here in foreground. Now again I will select here, and I am going to edit type, and now I am going to change this background pattern color to green, suppose. Apply, OK. So now you can see this is the only foreground color here. You cannot see the background here, so later on you can use this background. can use any of these to show your pattern. And now I'm going to edit type again, and you can change the line weight here, which is by default 1. So I'm going to increase this line weight here, and now I'm going to from 1 to 5 and see what happens here. Apply, OK, and you can see this lines has become thicker. So you can change the line weight also as per your drawing requirement. So it's not that difficult. So I'm going to select this again, and I'm going to edit type, and now I will change this to by default 1 only. And this is the masking which is checked here. So what will happen if the masking is on here? So I'm going to draw another filled region here, and I'm going to annotate, and I'm going to use filled region, and I'm going to draw a filled region. Suppose I am going to draw a filled region here, and now I am going to apply this, and you can see this wall and some parts of ramp has disappeared in this filled region, and the reason I will tell you. I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to edit type here, and now I'm going to uncheck this masking here, which is ticked here, and now I'm going to deselect this and see what happens here. Apply, and now you can see clearly the difference. The masking we have unchecked, and now you are able to see this wall and some parts of this ramp. So this is the difference if you will select masking in your properties of filled region. And this is the basic function of filled region. You can use in your drawing 2D floor plan, or you can use in your any sectional views also, and it cannot be applied in 3D views. So now I am going to next room here, which is masking here. So now I am going to select this masking region here, and the basic function is same here. You can use this finish mode, and if you want to cancel this, you can use this cross symbol here, and this is the draw tools. So now I am going to draw any masking region here. Suppose I want to hide this line patterns here, and if I want to hide this cutout area here, and now I am going to select this rectangle tool, and now I am going to use masking tool here, and now I will draw a rectangular area of masking, and now I'm going to finish this, and you can see this diagonal hatch pattern has disappeared. These diagonal lines is disappeared due to masking, and again I will show you the difference here. And now I'm going to select again masking region, and I want to hide these walls also. I want to make this bedroom some parts to be open, suppose, and I'm going to draw a masking region here, and I'm going to finish this, and you can see this wall is disappeared and this region is marked. So you can use this in your sectional views also. Suppose I want to show some sectional views, and I'm going to draw a sectional line here, and I'm going to my sectional views, and suppose I want to hide some parts here. Suppose I want to hide this part of some windows. I will go to my region, masking region, and I will draw a masking region here, and you can finish this, and you can see this window, some parts has been masked, and you can use if you don't have any time for your projects, and if you want to quickly hide something, you can use this masking region as per your requirement of drawings. So these are the basic function of filled region and masking region. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in Revit architecture. Bye bye.